Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to find Watch Later playlist on YouTube. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. So first we need to go to YouTube. After that go to our account. And here click View All near Playlist button. And here you can click Watch Later. And here you can find all videos in playlist Watch Later. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone. See you later.